Hi, I'm Tom Antion. I'm a guy that sells a lot on the internet. I'm not a guy that read it in a book and is telling you about it. I had the best teachers on the internet. They made money. I started making millions of dollars, all verifiable, I might add. And then my students are making millions of dollars. So I'm not a guy that's just blowing smoke when I tell you what I'm telling you. And you might be what I refer to lovingly as a geek if you even bothered to come looking for something that says open source. Open source, of course, means that a lot of people have their finger in the pie working on things. This is not a good thing, in my not so humble opinion, for you to have on your e-commerce site. Something that people are fiddling with all around the world, and in some cases there's improvements, but in most cases there's just lots of bugs that nobody is in control of. I've already had a distance learning software. I've been going through nightmares, even though it's well reviewed. So this is not the time to play around when it's your e-commerce site, where it's selling and it's your money involved, because if something goes wrong, then you're in big trouble. A lot of money can go down the drain. So I'm against that. I'm all for going for top-notch, highly supported, completely operating e-commerce solutions or shopping cart systems. I happen to use kickstartcart.com. A lot of reasons that I do it. I refer it and I make a lot of money. That's another thing that people that look for open source kind of ignore, is if you have a really good paid shopping cart, usually they'll have an affiliate program so that you can refer it to others and make a lot of money. I'm talking serious money. In fact, I'm going to send you to a website, howtousashoppingcart.com/kickstart. We'll display it here on the screen for you, and we'll have it on a slate at the end so you can write it down. And you'll see a video where I have made personally over $750,000 at the time this video was recorded, just referring the cart by giving away a free ebook, and I even recorded a little bit on a CD and give that away. Now, when you go to this site, How to Use a Shopping Cart, then you can see the video, but you can also customize a version of the ebook for yourself with your own affiliate link in it. So you can sell this ebook on eBay, you can give it away, you can put it as bonuses with other stuff, whatever you want to do with it, but if somebody clicks through and purchases the cart, you get 30% of whatever they spend on a recurring basis. And this is where, if I felt like quitting all my internet businesses today, I'd have $250,000 coming in every year just from this one residual affiliate program. So forget open source. Go check this out. The links are on the screen, and I can't wait to see big checks going your way for referring the shopping cart. I'm Tom Antion. I'll see you on the net.